Hi, my name is Coach Bowman. Hopefully you guys are doing all well on this back-to-school night. I will be your son or daughter's 7th and 8th grade Project Lead the Way teacher. This year we are focusing on automation and robotics and electronics. Okay, so we are starting with electronics this year, and kind of what we hope to do with these kids is just show them something that they don't normally come in contact with, and show them how to problem solve and kind of maneuver their own way through using different tools like soldering or programming, being able to use your hands to build different things. So it's kind of an all-inclusive, all-captive, however you want to say it, way of getting the kids to solve different types of projects just kind of on their own a little bit with some guided help. We are starting with electronics. Okay, so what we are going to do in that class is I'm going to teach the kids some old school soldering. They're going to learn all kind of about breadboards and things like this. Like this is our little nightlight project that we do, so they'll learn how to wire that up on a breadboard. Once they get that down, then we will move into an actual circuit board that they get to take home, which is this nightlight right here, and we'll kind of teach them how to solder. I don't know if you can see the welds and things like that, but we'll go through that part. They will do a second soldering project here using different types of features here. This is a blinking light, so they'll learn just more practice on soldering. So that's kind of the first part, the electronics. And the second part, we get into robotics, where they are learning how to program, build different robotic systems, I guess you could say, to solve different situations. Like there's different things like being able to build a traffic light and talk about traffic jams and different sensors on how to help out the traffic jams, build different race cars and stuff like that. This is kind of an example of how they'll learn to do it. This is kind of our test bed here, where it's got all of our different wheels on the back side. It's got a claw that opens up and grabs things. Potentiometer right here. It's just kind of another type of switch. And they got a push button switch, photocell, and then a light switch here. So we'll teach them how to kind of go through that, program each one of those to do different features before they start getting into their scenarios that they have to solve and go. But all in all, it should be a pretty good year, pretty fun year for the kids. If you have questions on my Canvas page, I have a calendar listed out for every assignment of the week. It's right there with links and everything else, so you can see what they are doing daily or weekly on there. I also have some contact information on there. Like I said before, hopefully the kids have fun and they get introduced to some things that they don't normally come in contact with. If you have questions or anything like that, you can contact me. But other than that, hope you have a good evening. Thank you.